Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a Bitcoin price update based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to please motivate me with a like and subscribe for the channel so I can keep going with these videos, updating videos, and yeah, don't forget also to leave a comment and a question in case you have one. I would be glad to answer it. Also in the description below you can find some educational videos to trade those analysis and the signals that I'm giving, because it match very good with what we speak about every day, and it will be of course much more profitable for you and less risky if you watch these videos. You can find it directly in the description below. So starting with Bitcoin today, with the price action, first we need to celebrate, of course, hitting our second target for this whole scenario, where we have started already from here, right? And we said, okay, in any case, we are looking towards a downside for a zigzag. If we pass through the 1 fib level, then we are impulsive and we are looking for lower. And here we go. We have reached a target after the other, and now we have reached the 1-to-1 fib level. So let me celebrate. All right. So this, this one of our successful trades or scenarios that it has been predicted on this channel, and yeah, it's nice to see it working well. And of course, as you can see now, we are still moving lower. So we already spoke about this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing only the wave 3, and this is exactly what happened. And now we are still looking to finish this 1, 2 for a 4, 5, right? Because this is our wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our wave 4, of course, should be here. Now, some fib levels has been, of course, updated before starting the video, because we got an extended wave 3 again, lower than the 1-to-1 fib level. However, that's really nice to see, because we already hit the target that we already spoke about it in the last video, right? So your 0.618 invalidation now is even lower a little bit at 59,200 almost. So in case that we reverse and we hit this fib level, then okay, we might see an invalidation of this impulse and it might transform to A, B, and a C. But this is a very low possibility now, looking at the strong of this, or the strong impulse towards the downside. However, what we are expecting now is, of course, more lower prices after, of course, some retracement, some range happening here, and ABC. Of course, it can be any flat, any zigzag, any type of flat or WXY, and then finishing this wave 5. Now, as you can see, I have blended, if you want to say, two scenarios all together, which are both bearish scenarios. The first one is that you can see, of course, much better on the 4-hour chart, which is this one, the WXY, where we are looking for a finished here, a zigzag, right? ABC finished for W, and then we have another ABC finished for X, and now we are looking to a triangle, right? Finishing wave D and looking for a wave E to finish this WXY, right? Your WXY, of course, is represented then finally in 3 waves, like that. Once we hit, the final wave E for the wave Y. After this, of course, we want to look for continuation towards the upside. However, we don't forget that there is still one bearish scenario, that it can have lower prices than this trend line here. So it's the same how we trade this. Okay, we're gonna trade the same, of course, here. Preferably, of course, to wait, see if lower prices goes down. Then, of course, you want to keep the things moving down, right? However, check the educational videos again to see how to trade this, right? Because it's not just that we keep the whole thing going down with selling all your capital or something like this. There is some take profit should be taken here. You can check the educational video and see how we trade this. So be smart and be clever and have less risky trades, of course. However, now we have blended those two scenarios, this one and yeah, the bearish one that we are currently into it, the WXY, after the WXY. So I would say now I can remove, of course, these trend lines because it's done. There is no impulse towards the upside anymore. It's just WXY. We are looking here at a wave D for the triangle that is coming from there, and we are looking for our wave E here, right? Your wave E should be a zigzag. This whole wave should be a zigzag. Therefore, we are still looking for one more wave 5, right, to finish this impulse. Preferably at 57,300. Then, after this, we want to see 3 waves up. Now, of course, those 3 waves up can be any flat, any triangle, not tradable, yeah? We are on the 1 hour chart here, not tradable. You can check the educational videos again and you know what I'm talking about. Then we want to check for another impulse or diagonal towards the upside, downside, sorry, finishing our wave E and W towards the downside. After this, we're gonna watch, of course, if we get a reversal. By all means, a reversal. We want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and then hitting higher again over this 5 waves towards the upside. Then this is your entry point. For more details, again, also watch the video for the perfect entry point in the description below. And yeah, after this, we want to move higher again with our bullish scenarios, as we did before. Mentioned, of course, in the deep analysis videos as well before. If not, if we see 3 waves up rather than 5 waves up, that means definitely continuation towards the downside. That means another scenario opens for us, which is a double zigzag towards the downside, which is this one, of course. Many scenarios will be then open. So we are looking, of course, towards this price 51,000 almost, even for possibly a new lower low for a wave 4, possibly. Yeah, after this, of course, to be reanalyzed. Alright guys, so that was it for Bitcoin price prediction. I hope that you enjoy the updates, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like it, and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.